Got a little Murray lawnmower out there that runs good, with the exception of it, I don't know, pulsates or surges, how you want to call it. I know this little camera ain't going to show you nothing, but anyway, I went and bought a set of these little drills here, and there's about 3 or 4 of them that just goes right in that hole, that little bitty hole right there. And the next one up that was a little bit tight, well, I went ahead and bored that out. I had to put my drill on that, where's that thing at? This little gadget here comes with it, sort of a little, it's got a collet in the end, and this thing, you take it, I had to take it off, but check it at my drill, and them bits are so daggum dull, or worse than what I got. Anyway, I did manage to finally poke through that brass deal, and then I went out there, I put it all back together, went out there, and the thing was running in a flooded condition. I mean, it would sound like you had a choke house shut on it. So I'm assuming that one bit was a little bit too big, even though it was only the next one up that would fit. The others are all loose in there. So what I did, and I don't know if it'll work or not, I know you can't see it with this goofy camera, but I took a little piece of rosin core solder and I jammed it in that hole there. Then I took one of them little bits and I drilled another hole back in it, which made it back small again. So I'm going to take it out there for a while. We'll see what happens. I don't know if it'll prosper or not, but I ain't real wild about that set of drill bits I got. One thing, it had something on here about in the state of California it might cause you some cancer. I don't know what the paper, this, or eating them too many of them little drill bits. I don't know what they're talking about. But anyway, California's a good place to get sick, I guess. All right, we're going to try this thing. I'll put it back in. We're going to try here in a while. Yeah, you might be able to see it. I got it back on the thing. I just haven't even got the air filter back on. It looks like it's setting back tight enough. We're going to see what happens here. Probably won't work. Be back a little bit. Well, we still got a problem. I don't know what it is. It run pretty crappy at first, and then it seemed to take off better, and it's get plenty of gas, I know, because I put a little starter fluid in just to see what happened, and it about killed it. So I'll have to check it a little longer, see what I can find.